Hello. We are all aware of the social unrest that is taking place in many cities across our nation following the death of Mr. George Floyd in Minneapolis. With that in mind, I want to offer this prayer for peace and justice. God, you are the source of human dignity, and it is in your image that we are created. Pour out on us the spirit of love and compassion. Enable us to reverence each person, to reach out to anyone in need, to value and appreciate those who differ from us, to share the resources of our nation, to receive the gifts offered to us by people from other cultures. Grant that we may always promote the justice and acceptance that ensures lasting peace and racial harmony. Help us to remember that we are one world and one family. Amen.